Hello guys. Today's video is on the top 5 best weeding tool in 2020. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. Don't skip any single of frame. Watch till the end. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Say goodbye to backbreaking weeding with this handy gardening tool. The long handle makes it easy for the avid gardener to control the spread of weeds without bending over or kneeling on the ground. The stainless steel claw grabs the offending weed, roots and all, for a more permanent weeding solution without chemicals. This weeding tool features a viewing window in the foot pedal, so you can more easily see the weed as you remove it from your garden, and the ergonomically designed handle makes the entire job of weeding quick, easy and efficient. Fiskars 339951 is one of the best weeding tools you will ever own, and one you'll love using. Some garden tools are so simple in design, yet they work extremely well. That's an appropriate description for Grandpa's weeder. The handle is 45 inches long, so you can spare your back and knees when removing those unsightly weeds from your garden. This weeding tool removes weeds, roots and all, with one simple motion, and with the roots gone, the weeds won't grow back as fast. Grandpa's weeder is the original weeder that has been keeping yards tidy since 1913. If you have a weed problem but worry about using chemicals around pets and children, then this is the weeding tool for you. It has been designed to last, so you'll save money on expensive and toxic chemicals. This also makes a perfect gift for gardeners in your life. Weeding tools don't get much simpler than this short-handled one from Fiskars. This one is perfect for removing larger weeds like dandelions. The ergonomic handle is extra large for great handling, and the soft grip makes it easy to control. The head is curved and features forked tines, giving you plenty of force to remove even the most stubborn weeds from the roots to the tips. The head of this weeder is made from cast aluminum, which is resistant to rust and will last for many weed clearing seasons. Fiskars Soft-Edge hand weeding tool is ideal for gardeners who don't mind getting down on their knees for serious garden maintenance. The best weeding tools are those designed by serious gardening enthusiasts, and this Cobrahead original weeder has been built by gardeners with many years of hands-on gardening experience. This one features a cobra-like head that is very simple to use, which is a bonus for everyone from gardening pros and beginners alike. The tempered steel blade cuts right through the soil to lift and remove even the most stubborn weeds, and the recycled plastic hand is easy to grip whether you are left or right-handed. You'll love this simple yet effective weeding tool, and you'll make short work of getting your garden neat and tidy again. So put on your gardening gloves and start weeding. Get your gardening done in half the time with this hula hoe weeder cultivator. The extra long 54-inch handle saves you from excessively straining your back and knees, and the ease of use means you can cut through all types of weeds and remove moss as well. Anything left behind becomes mulch to feed your soil, saving you even more time and ensuring your garden thrives. The strong handle makes it easy to control the self-sharpening tip, and you can remove any types of weeds that invade your garden. Replacement blades are also available, so you can get a lot more use out of this weeding tool. You'll love this weeder and cultivator for all of your gardening needs. If you love gardening, make sure you also check our guide to the best electric weed whackers.